Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we create a particular name or thing into a uppercase or lowercase. So let's start by doing first of all the uppercase. So in this Excel sheet I'll be doing converting name into uppercase. So what I'll do is I'll type equal to UPPER, press tab, then I'll select all these names. I'll select this C4 and press enter. So now you can see it all converted into uppercase, and I can fill by clicking C. It converted into a plus sign. Then if I double click this, so it will automatically fill all the values. And now let's go by converting into a lowercase. So I'll type equal to LOWER, press tab, then select this and press enter. So now you can see it all converted into a lowercase. Now my name is in the lowercase, as you can see. And if I can do also double click here and it will fill automatically. And another way of doing is I can drag from here and it will do the work for me. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification for further updates. So take care, bye bye.